talking about the Senior Showcase program, which is an extraordinary program that highlights exemplary research projects and research theses that our undergraduate students have completed in their final year here at Wake Forest. This is a program that was student-inspired. A former student here came to our dean and said that he was so impressed with the research that his fellow students completed that he really wanted to have a forum for them to be able to share their research beyond their classes and beyond their majors, to share it with the university. And so we developed the Senior Showcase program in 2010 to honor that request and to make student research more broadly known.
I work with an amphibious fish called the mangrove rivulus. This fish can actually move out of the water when water conditions are poor onto land. So I study how exactly this fish, which has no special structures on its body to help it do this, can move from water to land.
So here's another possible answer to the question, what are we?
In an area of philosophy known as the metaphysics of human persons, and the fundamental question in that area is, what are we, human persons, fundamentally? And there are lots of different answers you might give. Maybe you think we're souls, maybe we're just collections of atoms, but I focused on a view known as animalism, according to which we're fundamentally organisms.
In the Rust Belt states, where manufacturing is huge, collective bargaining has shaped a way of life for over 50 years. And my research was on collective bargaining in Michigan and Wisconsin, and essentially what it looked to do was to see the grand strategies used in recent movements in collective bargaining to stop anti-collective bargaining legislation. And it's really relevant and timely because we're still dealing with issues like that right now.
When the featured composers based on some, such as Beethoven and Mozart.
I've been studying piano since I was 5, and so I was thinking when I came to Wake Forest, I found my true passion in music. And then really, honestly, I'm not going to be a performer, like a concert pianist, but I'm thinking still there some place that I can enjoy music. So really it's more like I wanted to start music school. So what I'm thinking is like, okay, to be head of a music school, you have to be master at the piano or one instrument, and then the instrument of mine is piano. So I'm thinking, yes, I'm going to be pursuing that in a master degree at least, so to get myself prepared for that kind of thing. And so that's how I choose it. And I'm honored to be selected for the honor recital at Wake Forest Department of Music.
Some observations from this year's showcase is that we have undergraduates who are completing research that, because it is outside of my field, I find deeply impressive and I would think is at a graduate level. We have students who are tackling big problems. We have students who are executing technical performances with great skill. We have students who are reaching out and interviewing people in state legislatures who are going to foreign countries to complete research projects with our faculty and with our graduate students. They are really sort of taking on a level of research and a work burden that is beyond what is expected of an undergraduate, and I find that really impressive. I think this program should continue in order to continue to highlight such research.